Honorable Chairperson Ma'am of RPS Group of Institutions, Dr. Pavitra G. Rao. And dedication, the leading iconic inspiration for every and each individual working. Are given certain roles and responsibilities. It teaches them lifelong skills of being powerful and caring at the same time.
Colonel Lakshay Mathur installed the office of office bearers as head boy, head girl and cultural head and sports head.
To the hands first. Start with our head boy, Ikansh. Now head girl Mannat. Give them a huge round of applause. And the next is cultural head Anvisha.
Serve the fellow students and school with utmost dignity and sincerity as head boy and head girl, as cultural and sports head, under the worthy guidance of school administration. I will endeavour to be a perfect role model of discipline.
And wish them all the best for their futuristic endeavors. They will work for the smooth functioning of the curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular and sports and games. I endeavour to be a perfect role model of discipline. I would like to encourage my fellow beings to take part in all the school activities, and bring laurels and glory to school.
I would like to congratulate Bahuji. He would be feeling so happy and pleased to see the young saplings of his mighty institution going from leaps and bounds. Second, I would like to congratulate all present here. When I say all, I include those students who have not been sashed or bashed today. Because of you, they have become leaders. Had you not been there, they would not have been leaders. So congratulations to all of you. All the best to all of you. I am quite sure the other houses would be having such beautiful themes with such effective messages. But what we just now saw, hats off, thank you so very much for the lovely presentation and a lovely message. I shall be failing in my duties if I compliment the two compares here. Very well done, children, and all the best. Keep this confidence with you and keep shining.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely presentations, lovely confidence. Lastly, and not the least, thanks to all the teachers. You are the role models for them. Thank you, ma'am. I learn every time I visit any school, not only RPS every day, all because of your efforts. The things and the qualities which you inculcate in them, that is reflected, and I am applauded to see the fabulous discipline, the attire which you all are putting on, and so well done up. Hats off, God bless the school and the children. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed motivating. Give sir a thunder of applause.
Saving our environment is all because of you, what we are learning and what our students are learning, and then your work is learning. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir, for your benign presence.
The idea was mine, and that all what is created over there is of Hemant sir, and the idea is that you are our Lord Krishna. I'm sorry he's not here right now. He will have a picture with you. And